Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.
Hello parents and kids. Today we are going to share Fatik's story of first proper haircut. Like most of toddlers, Fatik never ever wanted a haircut. So after 3.5 years, we got a proper haircut. Here are some tips that mommy can share with you. Try doing it at home. Use of mirrors. We can offer periodically baby's favorite food like the favorite cookies or the chocolates or the candies. Last but not the least, validate your kids' feelings. For that purpose, continuously talk to your baby. You can also try some storytelling or offer some favorite shopping. Now let's watch the video. Fatik is always helpful. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. It's perfect. It's just perfect, you know?
कुछ नहीं होता नहीं बेटा ऐसे नहीं करो रिपीटिंग कैसे होगी
You know, uncle will make you look like Blippi. You will be perfect. My baby is so helpful. Fatik always listens to mommy.
हिलो नहीं
Fatik?
कुछ नहीं होता
Fatik? Yeah. Fix your head. Wow! Fatik will look like a hero.
Draw my hair.
It's okay. Mommy will give you an ice cream after that. You want an ice cream? Which flavor ice cream you want?
Mommy, we can't go out the ice cream.
Yeah. Mommy will take you to the ice cream tomorrow. Today.
Mommy,
Yes. You want a strawberry
we
one?
can't wait for it.
You can't wait?
I
Okay.
can't wait for more.
Only 1 minute left. Only
I
1 minute
can't
is
wait
left.
for the sunlight.
Okay. We will go to the sunlight. We'll go in the sunlight.
The hair is coming back.
Oh, hairs are flying. Fatik, you want a strawberry flavor or a mango? Today, which flavor you will like? Strawberry or mango or chocolate?
Oh.
Chocolate?
And we'll wait for shopping.
We will go for shopping. Yes.
Oh, Mommy.
We will take a bath and go to the shopping. Mommy will wash your hair.
Mommy is coming for back.
Fatik is always so helping.
Baby,
My helping boy.
stop. we stop the ice cream.
Yes. I will take you to the ice cream.
No, mommy. We don't.
Please help, Fatik.
We don't want it, mom. Oh,
ये नहीं
mommy,
खाओ, ये नहीं खाओ।
let's all together.
बस हो गया है। Finish हो गया, finish.
My Bob.
Finish हो गया है।
My Bob.
I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. ये बच्चा. My best baby. My best baby.
Finish हो गई, finish।
Yeah, and now the tree is going on after the haircut, you know.
Subscribe my channel. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.